Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set up your digital collectibles on Instagram. Now this digital collectibles feature is actually a new feature on Instagram. It allows you to share your NFTs, connect your crypto wallet, etc. Now if you want to do that guys, the first step you have to take is to open your Instagram app, head to your profile, and right here from your profile you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to find this digital collectibles feature right here. Tap on that. Now you can get started by clicking on the get started button at the bottom, but just before you do that, you can take a look at what you can do with this feature. Here it says connect the digital wallet to share your NFT, as you can see at the top. And once you're done reading these, just click on get started button at the bottom of your screen and click on continue at the bottom of your screen. And right here you can now choose a wallet. For example, I have MetaMask, so I'm going to choose that one and click on continue and agree. Now it's requesting me to add my password, so I'm going to do that right away. Then click on done. Now I have successfully added it. Here it says connect to this site, so I'm going to click on connect. And here it says verify your wallet, open MetaMask to finish connecting your wallet. So I'm going to click on open MetaMask. Alright, here it says sign. Alright, I'm going to click on the sign, and I think that'll be all. Alright, so here it says wallet connected. Okay, now let's go back and click on the three lines again. Click on digital collectibles and you'll find your wallet connected. You can add more wallet by clicking on add wallet at the top right corner. Alright, or you can alright, so this is our wallet. So guys, this is how you can set up digital collectibles in order for you to share your NFTs and connect your wallet. Right now, if you want to add collectibles, this is what you can do. Just click on any of these, click on the three lines at the three dots at the top right corner. Alright, that one is for disconnecting. Alright, so that's it. Now we've connected it, so if you want to disconnect it, you can just tap on it and then click on this three dot at the top right corner to disconnect. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this.